under the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is, you guessed it, it's another cleaning video. If you guys are brand new here, what's up? My name is Jessa. I am in the middle of a summer cleaning series on my channel. I'm uploading videos all week this week, Monday through Friday, and I'm calling it my summer cleaning series. The reason for this series, or the reason that I started it, was during quarantine, I really let myself slack on cleaning, and I really didn't get a whole lot done, and I fell out of those habits pretty quickly. So I wanted to do this series and clean every day and get myself back into those habits of cleaning every day. So I figured I would just kind of film it and, I don't know, make a fun series on it, like for my YouTube. So this is actually day 3 of the summer cleaning series. I'll have another one for you tomorrow on Thursday, and then wrapping it up on Friday. So today's video is nothing crazy. I'm just going to take you through what I've kind of established as my daily cleaning routine. I would say that these things do change on the day-to-day, but I would maybe week to week, maybe. Again, I'm still like kind of establishing habits and learning what works best for our family, but this is definitely what I've been doing most days. And that is tackling my bedroom, just making my bed, and if I can get one load of laundry washed, dried, and folded, our lives are so much easier and so much better. So that's what I'm doing here. I am folding a basket of laundry, and then I'm going to move into my kitchen and give a quick sweep through of the kitchen. I'm sure most people can relate that when your kitchen is clean, like, life is so much easier. And then finally, I'm going to wrap it up in my living room. Again, this is just the room that we spend the most time in as a family. So I do like to get in and, again, just give it a nice like sweep through at the end of the day. So nothing crazy today, guys. It's just like a quick tidy up, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I wanted to thank you already for the amazing support that I've gotten on this series. I know a lot of people are like cleaning along with me and trying to reestablish like their own cleaning habits. So like I said, it's not a long video today, but it's just enough to get you motivated and to maybe get your dishes done. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Definitely check out the description box. I'll have more info on my series linked down below, and I'll also have the playlist. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to let some music play for the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
All that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. Figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars. Heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. 'cause I just know, 'cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah. Now you're really sorry, yeah. Now you're already over it, yeah. It's not for me, I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I'll love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire to me. How can I forget that? It's not for me. Now you're really sorry, yeah. Now you're already over it, yeah. We don't have to talk, 'cause I just know, 'cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah. Now you're really sorry, yeah. Now you're already over it, yeah. It's not for me, I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I'll love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire to me. How can I forget that? It's not for me, I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I'll love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire to me. How can I forget that?
Baby, take my hand, follow me. Let's leave this world behind, set us free. And I will give you everything that you need. So take a chance, let your heart chase that beat. And baby, you're all that I want. I need you like a voice needs a song.